Lights out. Have you ever tried walking in your room when lights were out? What will happen if lights are out in this room right now? What will happen if lights are out at school, in the hospital, or in the street? A complete state of darkness. And you will be wishing if anyone pressed any button to turn lights on. Just keep this in mind. And let me first ask you this question. How many of you in this room know someone who has diabetes? I believe every single person in this room knows someone who has diabetes. But do you know, for every 10 people having diabetes, you know, above 40, at least 3 of them will become blind, which means lights are out for every single moment of their life at every single place. Now, let me explain to you how diabetes causes blindness. High blood sugar during diabetes affects small blood vessels. A very important organ in our body which is dependent on those small blood vessels is the eye, especially in the back of the eye, which is called retina. Retina is the light-sensitive part at the back of the eye which receives the light, form the image, send it to the brain. Small blood vessels of the retina affected during diabetes by becoming weak and leaky. These leaky vessels allow the passage of fluids from blood into the back of the eye, affecting retina, affecting vision, which may end up with blindness. If you're sadly one of those patients, your only hope is that your physician will shoot a laser beam into the back of your eye to burn these leaky vessels, or directly inject drugs into your eye, or both. You may need both. Those are invasive, but not only invasive therapies, also they are dealing only with late stages of the disease. So it is very important to find out new early targets for therapy. I had the opportunity to join a team which is working hard to do this. Our group identified an early activation of a specific protein called lipoxygenase, or LO, in diabetic retina. I'm studying LO. To study LO, we utilized a mouse model which is lacking LO. We made those mice diabetic in our lab. Interestingly, in presence of diabetes, but in absence of LO, vessels of the eyes of those animals were doing much better. Neurons were doing well as well. So we believe that we identified a new early target for therapy to prevent blindness in diabetic patients. We believe that we found a new button to turn lights of the eyes of diabetic patients on instead of being out. Thank you.